Last time when I was trying to log in on Pesatube, I couldn't log in because like this is what I saw, like the website was not working. It's like it was offline. So I saw someone commented on one of my videos. He said he can view, so I tried it and I was able to log in. Maybe the website was offline, I don't know, but I saw some people been asking me how to reach level 4, guys. So into this video I just want to show you how to reach level 4, but I also believe that this site is not legit. This is a scam website. You won't be able to get paid, right? So onto this video I just want to show you how to reach level 4 because people have been asking me how to reach level 4. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Okay, the link will be in the description. If you still believe like you can get paid on this website, just go on the first link in the description, click on that link, create an account and do those tasks, right? So I'm on withdraw page. Right here is task, right here is refer, right here is refer, copy a link and no shade with other people. Right here is on videos, right? On videos where you watch videos. So I earned 428 so far, and right here I'm on home, right? So the people being asking me like how to reach level 4. So you can see right here I'm on level 3, right? Okay, level 3. So you can see there I must at least get at least 20 clicks, at least 10 referrals, at least 25 videos watched, at least 6 tasks completed. But there's a catch, right? So before, like I was trying to submit my withdrawal, so they said I must watch 15 videos. So I watched 15 videos, but when I was about to submit my withdrawal, they said I must watch 25 videos. Like they increased it. So I do not know why, guys. I do not know. That is why I'm saying, guys, like I do not believe this site. This site is a scam website. They just want you to watch those ads because like if you know like those ads right there, you can see right there 50 clicks, 17 referrals, 7 tasks, 21 videos. So if you wanna know watch videos, just go to videos and watch videos until you reach a minimum level, so you can reach level 4, and then after that just come here on withdraw. So after you reach level 4, then you can just come here and submit your request for withdrawal, right? So if you want to use M-Pesa, it's fine. FNB Pay, bank transfer, just do that, guys. Just do that. But I'm just going to try to watch videos again and submit, and I'm gonna show you guys. I do not believe that I'm going to get paid. So like I still have time, so that is why I'm still trying it out. So to show you guys that this website is not working. I know some people will even comment again, say what, but I'm still saying, guys, this site is a scam website, guys. So if you need a legit website that you can get like free airtime and free vouchers, and later on can turn those vouchers into money, watch these videos. You will see on how to get free airtime and free vouchers.